Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw the flag of Papua New Guinea. So it has a rectangle shape, you can see. Now we're going to put the basic designs and the outlines. So let's draw a line diagonally from the top to the bottom. All right, so the diagonal line is done. It's divided into 2 points. And for the flag of Papua New Guinea, it has a 5 stars in its symbol. So let's see the stars here. We're going to draw the stars with the sign pen here. Okay, this is one. Going for the next one. Second one. Third one. The bigger fourth one is at the bottom. And a smaller one in the middle. All right. And also you can see a bird flying. It's like a yellow bird flying on the right side. So there's the symbol present in the flag, which part is made with red color signs. Okay, so we're putting the wings of the birds now, and also another wings here. Few shades, you can see nice shape here. Also another shape you can see present here. All right, so we're going to fill up the inside with a symbol, and let's put the colors. All right, this is actually the highlighter, and we are highlighting the bird inside the flag. So after putting the border outlines, the flag is going to be visibly very nice, and the bird is also going to be very nice. Okay. All right, now we're going to fill up the left side with a black colored pencil. All right, let's put the colors here. Okay, so after filling up the whole area, let's see. Okay, so to highlight the stars, let's fill up the surfaces around the stars with a more solid darker points. All right, so that the stars are nicely visible. All right, so let's put the solid color for the whole surface. Looks nice. All right, you can see the present of stars here, and on the right side we are going to put the red color. Let's put the color now. So you can see the red colors here. We're just making the border outlines of the bird inside the flag to make it visibly very nice. All right. So this is the flag of Papua New Guinea. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.